Hi, Mark Suffern here with freeonline tradingeducation.com. Brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's the trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar Room on CHK, Chesapeake Energy. And as you can see here, it gapped up here at opening about 3%, but what you don't see is in pre-market it was up over 5% and had been falling. At this point it fell, and it bounced up, a lower swing high, fell again, and now it's doing what we call a bear pullback. If you want to know more about a bear pullback, actually it's the second one in a row there, go to freeonline tradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Go to pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback. There's a description of it and a quick picture of it where it's coming down. It comes up to a line of resistance and then falls again. In other words, another lower swing high. That is a bearish formation. So here we have one swing pullback there, another pullback forming here, and the market was dropping significantly, so set an order just below the 8 EMA. Let's see what happened next. Bam! There it goes. It fell. And I'm now short at $7.78 on CHK. Let's see what happened after that. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, man, look at that. Straight through all these moving averages. And coming down here to the 200 period moving average. And it pulled back up, and then just a little pullback. And there's another one. Now look at this. It pulled back up to a line of resistance. In this case, happened to be what? This is the 50 period moving average. Starting to rotate back down. Bam! Oh, look at it. And there's the 200 period moving average. And boy, it just fell right through that like a slice of butter. And it went on down here. And now it's approaching the $19 level. Bam! There it went all the way down to $19. And then in the next, it was sitting there for a long time and started to pull back up. So I took out half at $19.03 for 3.7%. And I'm still short half of it, pulling my stop down here just above this 200 period moving average. Let's see what happened after that. And there it was high basing here. Basing, it's now starting to form what, a really big bear pullback here. Just one order shot up here, and it did not trigger my stop. And then look at that. Look at it. This is a beautiful bear pullback here. Look at that. Coming down, back down to the $19 level. Possible double bottom, or is it going to break through? And it didn't break through. Oh, bam. There we go. Yay. Let's go. All right. It's going down. It's going down. Oh, and then it started to come back up again. So I'm pulling my stop down here just above the 20 period moving average. And it still goes going along here. And then bam, caught me right here at $19.11 for 3.3% on the second half. So this total trade, short from up here, fell all the way to here, took out half, and then as it bounced back up here towards the 50 period moving average, I took out the second half for a total of 3.5% in 55 minutes. Well, this was just one of 10 trades that we called in the GrokStar room this morning, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. And next week, we do have a free webinar coming up. If you take a look under upcoming events on our site, you have the 101 technical analysis. It's on Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, you can go ahead and click this button, and there's a place for you to register for that event. And even if you can't be there, go ahead and register, and you will get a recorded version of it after the fact. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember that these trading patterns work every single time, except when they don't. Trade well.